In cities across the globe, urban wildlife habitat restoration is making waves of change. Local initiatives transform derelict areas into vibrant green spaces, attracting butterflies, birds, and even bees. This restoration not only enhances biodiversity, but improves air quality and reduces urban heat. Communities witness an increase in mindfulness and outdoor activity, fostering a stronger connection with nature. Plus, studies show these habitats can boost local economies through ecotourism and enhanced property values, proving that green spaces are more than just pretty. They're vital for sustainable urban living.